Alright guys, so today we are going to solve the easiest problem on the lead code probably, and we are going to solve the question valid anagram. Alright, so here we are given two strings, string s and t. We have to return the value true if t is an anagram of s and false if otherwise, right? If these are anagram of each other, s and t, then we basically have to return true, else return false. Easy as that. Okay, so what is an anagram? An anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of different words or phrase, typically using all letters exactly once. What does that mean? That exactly means that if this is an S, the S is anagram and T is nagaram. Okay, what does that mean? If every letter of the string S is used exactly once and rearranged to form a new word, right? If every letter of string S, if every letter of this word is used if only once, right? Like this A is used once, this A is used once, and this A is used once, right? So every letter of the word is used once only, and then the word is rearranged. And if the words, basically, we have to find out that if the word is anagram or not, right? So anagram is a word which is formed by using the same letters, rearranging the letters of the same word, right? Alright. So we can see in the example that is this is anagram and nagaram is these are two anagrams, and rat and car are not anagrams because here there's a T and there's no T here. Here there's a C, there's no C here, right? So we got an output false and true in the cases. So what should be the approach to this question, right? So here what we will do actually is the first thought that should come to the mind is okay, what we can do first is we just go to this A and then we have to mark it, and then we can go, and what we can do, we will just we will do the nested for approach, right? So first we'll choose this A, and then for that A we'll check that if it's equal to n. No, it's not equal to n. Then we'll check if it's equal to this A. Okay, it is equal to this A. That means A is checked, right? A is present. Now what we'll do is in one string we'll mark this A, like we'll, let's suppose, replace it to 0, right? We replace it to 0. Then we'll go for n. Then we'll go for n. Then we'll check whether n is present. N is present, right? We will replace it to 0. Okay. Then we'll check for the third A. Now here, for the third A, it will check whether A is this. This is 0, right? This is now 0. 0 not equal to A. Okay. This is also 0. 0 not equal to A. Okay. G is not equal to 0. A again. It's again same. So this is going to get replaced to 0 again, right? Then G comes. So 0, 0, G. Okay. This G is also going to get 0. Then for R, then A, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and you found an R. Okay. So as like after doing this, we'll basically deduce whether the string is an anagram or not. If the whole second string, if the whole t converts to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, that means that the string is anagram, or it's, or otherwise it's not, right? This is a very bad approach to approach this problem because it's going to take a lot of time complexity, right? What we are going to do is what we are going to do is we'll do is s dot begin comma s dot end, and we'll do it for t also, and we will return and boom. The test cases are expected. What is this? As I previously mentioned, this is the easiest problem on the lead code, and that means if we sort this string and this string as well, right? If we sort both of these two in the alphabetical order, right? So this string will become A G M R A G M G M N R, right? A G M N R, and this will also become A G M N R, right? So you can see that if we sort both the strings, we'll get the same value, right? And we'll just return s is equals to, if this is true, it will return true. If this is false, it will return. That is the question, and that's why this test case runs. And if we submit it, we are going to get probably the best answer. Not the best answer, I would say, but it still works. And yep, we beat it. It's a really good way of approaching this question, and I was really fascinated by. Okay, it's really easy, and it's like it made my mind blown. And yep. So And last thing, the syntax of this is sort. We write the function sort s dot begin. This is a function comma s dot end. That means we have to sort it from beginning to the end of the whole string, right? If we go here like s dot uh, like I don't remember the syntax, but we can basically choose to sort from second index to the last second index also as well, like a and m are going to remain in the place, and only this portion n to a, this portion it will sort, right? This is also possible. So that's the function sort. And yep, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys.